Welcome dear students to PNMRC e-learning classes. Dear children, today we shall start with the general knowledge subject and with a new topic, that is beautiful bugs. So in this topic you are going to learn about the ecology. What is known as ecology? Ecology means environmental study, what is pollination and what the process is. So many of you must be scared of bees, bugs or wasps. But do you know that these insects are important to the food chain and an important part of ecology? They not only feed and destroy pests who damage plants and crops but also help in pollination. So children, what is the meaning of, first of all, what is bugs? Bugs means a small kind of insect. And what is an ecology? Ecology means environmental study. So it is a study of how organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment. The distribution and abundance of organisms on earth is shaped by both biotic, living organism, related abiotic, non-living, or you can see according to the physical factors. So this is ecology. Ecology means the environmental study. And next is what is pollination? Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from male anther of a flower to the female stigma. So what is the importance of pollination? The importance of pollination is it leads to the production of fruits we can eat and seeds that will create more plants. It begins with flowers. Flowers have male parts that produce very small grains called pollens. And the pollination is transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another. So here children, we have to number the pictures to match the descriptions of useful insects that are found around the world. How these insects are useful for the plants. These are little cute bugs with red or orange body and black spots found in most of the gardens. These bugs feed on small insects and plant leaves and protect our plants. Which is the little bugs here? The name is ladybug. Second one. These insects have large lace-like wings and feed on nectar in flowers. They also feed on insects that harm our plants like plant lice, moth eggs, caterpillars and mites. So which is the insect? It is lacewing. The name is given here, na? Lace-like wings. The insect name is lacewing. Third one. These insects look like bees and wasps and are called flower flies. They also feed on insects that damage gardens. These flies help in obtaining larger and more beautiful raspberries and strawberries. So which is the insect? The name of the insect is hoverfly. Understood children? So next is, it is found in Brazil and these insects look very creepy and can scare anyone by their appearance. They have a strange design on their thorax and weird structures on their back. They like to live alone. Which kind of insect is this? Can you tell me? It is Brazilian tree hopper. So the name is given, the Brazilian insect, that is Brazilian tree hopper. Next, they are found in Denmark. They are covered with patches of pointed hair that resemble a porcupine's quills. This caterpillar looks quite like a sponge. So which insect is this? This is known as Callittera pudibunda caterpillar. The name is Callittera pudibunda caterpillar. Understood children? Next is sixth one. This insect is found in Southern Africa and these insects look like a flower from a distance. They are tiny in size and feed on other mantis. Which is the insect? The insect is known as spiny flower mantis. In the name itself it is given spiny flower mantis. Next, number 7. Found in Northern and Central America, they are attractive blue butterflies, but in their caterpillar stage, they look quite strange with rows of blunt horns that cover their body. These caterpillars always feed on pipewife, which is a poisonous plant. They then retain the toxins of the poison in their body. So this insect is known to be pipeworm swallowtail caterpillar. The name itself you can identify here, pipeworm swallowtail caterpillar. Number 8. Mostly found in southern USA, these caterpillars have a lot of colors on their body. They also have scary looking barbs that keep their predators away. These moths change their color at different ages and environmental factors. Means according to the environmental factors, these moths change their color. So number 8, that is known as Caleta silk moth caterpillar. Number 9. Found in New Zealand, this insect is the heaviest and largest insect in the world. So this insect is known to be the largest and heaviest in the world. It is close relative of grasshoppers and house crickets. So this insect is known to be Little Barrier Island giant weta. So the name itself is given giant. Giant means huge, big. Little Barrier Island giant weta. So children, today we completed the topic beautiful bugs, which is related to insects, related to ecology. Hope you understood this topic. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.